Good morning, class 1. This is your English class. Topic is preposition and the date is 23 April 2021. Yes, class. So the topic for today is preposition. Okay, what is the spelling? Preposition. Preposition. Okay. Now what is preposition? There are some words like in, on, under, near. These words tell us where a particular thing, animal or object is. Okay? So the words that tell us where something is or what is the position of a particular thing are called prepositions. For example, you can see some pictures in front of you. In all the picture, the common thing is ball. What is the common thing? The common thing is ball. So the question is, where is the ball? Ball kahan hai? Where is the ball? Now see, in the first picture, the ball is in the box. The ball is inside the box. Ball box ke andar hai. So here the word that we are using to tell the position of the ball is in. We are using in to describe the position of the ball. Now see the next picture. In the next picture, the ball is on the table. The ball is above the table. It is on the table. ये table के ऊपर रखी हुई है. So here the word that we are using is on. The ball is on the table. Now see the next picture. In the next picture, the ball is under the table. Ball table के नीचे है. उसके नीचे रखी हुई है, right? So here the word that we are using is under, under. Last picture. Now the ball is near the table, near, near. Now the ball is near the table. ये ball जो है table के पास है. So the words in, on, under, near, these are prepositions. They are telling us the position of the ball. Now what is preposition? I have told you, but let us see it again. A preposition is a word that tells us where a person, a place, an animal or a thing is. Okay, so preposition is a word that tells us the position of person, place, animal, thing. Okay, preposition हमको बताता है कि person, place, animal और thing की position क्या है, वो कहाँ है. Now, in this class, we will study about 4 words in, on, under, near. Okay? So, let's see the example of I and in. On the screen, you can see there is a picture. In the picture, you can see a nest and there are some eggs that are inside the nest. ये eggs कहाँ हैं? These eggs are inside the nest. ये nest के अंदर हैं. So what is the sentence? The sentence is the eggs are in the nest. Eggs nest के अंदर हैं. So we are using the word I and in. In हम कब यूज़ करते हैं? जब हमें ये बताना होता है कि something is inside something. कोई चीज़ जब किसी चीज़ के अंदर होती है, then we say it is in particular thing. Okay? Like the eggs are in the nest. Nest के अंदर eggs हैं, है ना? Nest में हैं eggs. Let's see the next example. Now see, you can see that the ball is in the box. अब यहाँ पर ball कहाँ है? Box के अंदर है. So we will use the word in. How we will say in sentence? The ball is in the box. The ball is in the box. Box में है ball. Box के अंदर है. Okay? Let's see one more example. Again, you can see a picture in which apples are in the basket. Okay? The apples are inside the basket. Basket के अंदर या basket में apples रखे हुए हैं. So the sentence is the apples are in the basket. The apples are in the basket. Apples basket के अंदर हैं. Okay. Now let's see some examples for the next word, that is on, on. अब हम देखेंगे how can we use on. हम on को कैसे use कर सकते हैं. In the picture you can see a clock that is on the wall. Okay, ये clock कहाँ है? ये wall पर है. The clock is on the wall. Wall पर clock है. So here we will use on because ये wall पर है. ये wall के अंदर नहीं है, ये wall पर है. So we will say the clock is on the wall. Okay, again. Now see, there is a ball that is on the table. ये जो ball है ये table के ऊपर है. Okay, या table पर है. So the sentence is the ball is on the table. The ball is on the table. Ball table पर है. Okay, तो हम on कब use करते हैं? When we want to say that something is on something, जब कोई चीज़ किसी के ऊपर है या उस पर है, then we use on. Okay, class, is it clear? See the next example. A happy looking boy sitting on the chair. So what we will say? We will say the boy is sitting on the chair. Boy chair पर बैठा हुआ है. Right? See how happy the boy is? Just like you all. Now the next word. The next word is under. Under. Under means किसी चीज़ के नीचे. Okay? The boy is sitting under the tree. Yes, look at the picture. The boy is sitting under the tree. Boy tree के नीचे बैठा हुआ है. पेड़ की छाया में बैठा हुआ है. पेड़ के नीचे बैठा हुआ है. Right? So what we will say? We will say the boy is sitting under the tree. The boy is sitting under the tree. Next. Again the ball. The same example. The ball is under the table. The ball is under the table. Ball table के नीचे है. So we are using the word under to tell the position of ball. The dog is sleeping under the table. Again here, who is under the table? The dog is under the table. Where is the dog? Under the table. Dog कहाँ है? Table के नीचे. So हम क्या बोलेंगे? under. Under. Next word is near. 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 Okay. So the question is when we have to use the word near. Near means पास में. जब कोई भी object किसी दूसरे object के पास में होगा तो हम क्या बोलेंगे? It is near that thing. The ball is near the table. Ball कहाँ है? Where is the ball? The ball is near the table. Table के पास में है. The car is parked near the house. जो कार है वो कहाँ है? House के पास में है. Near the house है. The car is parked near the house. Okay? Now see, in the picture you can see a pen which is near the book. So what we will say? We will say the pen is near the book. Pen book के पास में है. Okay, let's test your knowledge now. अभी हमने क्या पढ़ा? Now you have learned where to use in, on, under and near, right? So now questions are there on the screen. I will read the sentence and you tell me what will come in the blank. Okay? Now you have to tell where is the ball. The ball is dash the box. The ball and the options are under the box, in the box, on the box. So what is the correct answer? Box or ball. You have to tell the position of ball. बॉल बॉक्स के नीचे है, बॉक्स के अंदर है या बॉक्स पर है? इट इज़ In the box. Yes. So the correct answer is in. The ball is in the box. Okay. Next. Again, look at the picture and tell me where is the ball. The ball is dash the table, under the table, near the table, on the table. So what do you think? What is the correct answer? Let's check. The ball is on the table. बॉल टेबल पर है, टेबल के ऊपर है. Where is the ball? Again, the ball is dash the table, under the table, in the table, on the table. So where is the ball now? It is under the table. Yes, you are right. Yes, next question. Where is the ball? The ball is dash the table, under the table, near the table, on the table. Now what is the answer? See the picture and tell me. The correct answer is near. The ball is near the table. Ball table के पास में है. Now this is the exercise that you have to do on your own in your rough copy.